you think you can come? Yeah, because you know where it is. Yeah, Premananda Sukhi. Why is Nityanandaram Premananda Sukhi? Why is Nityanandaram? All is Premananda Sukhi. No wrong answers. There will be no wrong answers anyway. Associate with Mahaprabhu all the time. Yes, Mataji. I think that's all at the end of the day. This is all you can get from. Maybe after Prashad. Sevananda Sukhi. Sevananda, yeah. Sevananda Sukhi, yeah. That's it. Pray. Sevananda. Dukkha is in Bhoga. If there is no seva, it means Tasmat. Maybe I'm in Bhoga. Yeah. They are not able to hear you. Really? Ye khonam upaya vihinam tate dina kinchana bhardaki khono upaya vihina tate dina kinchana bhakati vinoda prabhuracharani kore dukha nivedana bhakti vinoda prabhuracharani kore dukha nivedana bhakti vinoda prabhuracharani kore dukha nivedana bhakti vinoda prabhuracharani kore dukha nivedana. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur ki jaya. Radhakund Mataji, this is what you wanted to hear, right? All good? क्या बोल? Okay. The reflections. ठीक है. Thank you. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur की जय. Without these acharyas. Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
They still can't hear. Yes, Mother.
Yeah, beta. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
Then I'll not be able to record it. See?
अमर जीवन सदा पापे रति नाही को पुण्येर लेशा परेर उद्वेग दियाचे जे कोत दियाचे जीवेर क्लेशा. These acharyas through bhajans they are teaching us, especially these bhajans. Is it okay?
Can you hear?
Okay. Is it clear? Especially these bhajans है ना. You know, bhakti is full of rasa. Bhakti is about rasa. Rasa means transcendental mellows. Before those transcendental mellows come out, all the jada rasa will come out. That is called anartha nivritti. When the jada rasa is coming out, this is all. When the jada rasa is coming out from us, then Thakura is Acharya. Acharya is teaching us how to do bhakti. Rasovaisaha, Bhagavan is Rasovaisaha. He is full of transcendental mellows. We are also souls. We are also Rasavaisaha. But now we are under the influence of modes. क्या सुनाई दे रहे ना? Okay, okay. So shall I continue? No, okay. पीछे devotees, is this okay? Oh, बच्चों, आप इतना enthusiastic yes बोल रहे हैं?
ये बच्चे हैं, वो बच्चे हैं।
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur ki jai. So, शास्त्र में नॉलेज दिया जाता है, okay? कामेश क्रोधेश रजो गुण समुद्भव, महाशनो महापापमा विद्येह इह वैरिणम श्री भगवान उवाचा. That's all Shri Bhagavan does. Then the Bhagavata has to come. Yes. Did you hear that? Bhagavan said, Kamesha, Krodhesha, Rajo, Guna, Samudbhava. Did you understand anything? Then the Bhagavata comes and he sings this bhajan. See, Bhagavan said, Kamesha, Krodhesha, Rajo, Guna, Samudbhava, right? It means this. When you are feeling happy, when others are sad, if you are feeling happy seeing others are sad and feeling sad because seeing others happy, Kamesha, Krodesha, Rajoguna, Samudbhava, that's what Sri Bhagavan Uvacha is. So as a Bhagavata, the sutras of Bhagavan, they will unpack the whole thing for us. Not only this, the Shastra is bolta hai ki, see, you are a human being and you have this, you are under the influence of these modes, and when you come out of the modes, you take a Bhagavan ka, you take shelter of Bhagavan. That's it. Shastra done. मैंने information दे दिया, ये map आपके हाथ में लगाया. You drive now. We don't know if the construction happens, what happens. ऐसा कुछ ऐसा शास्त्र है. Then this sadhu Mahabhu. So Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura is teaching us, this is how you do bhakti. Bhakti is svabhaviki. Bhakti is natural. It is natural. It's not that we have to incorporate something from outside. We just have to fill in Krishna, go towards Krishna. That's all. We just have to go towards Krishna with our body, with our emotions, with our intellect. Then the false ego will dissolve. Wo hai bhakti. So Thakura is here, he is explaining here how to go towards Bhagavan with the emotions that are coming out from us. That's what Thakura is teaching. I am an impious sinner and have caused others great anxiety and trouble. Do we feel like we are causing anxiety and trouble to others? Do we know? The thing is like this. I don't care if there is nothing we can do. But generally the devotees who are going, who wants to come towards Bhagavan, they're not I don't care. They care. They care. That's why they are coming towards Bhagavan. Then what to do when these things are coming up? अब तक फैन ऐसा ऐसा हुआ ना, सब अंदर है ना, what to do, these things are coming out. It's not that I want to feel like that. It's not that I want to be happy when others are sad. It's not that I want to be sad when others are happy. I actually want to be happy when others are happy. I want to. मेरी desire है. I want to. But what's naturally coming out is something different. What do I do, Bhagavan? That's the bhajan. So this is what is kullam ye hai Bhagavan. This is my halat. ऐसे ऐसे लग रहा है मुझे, ऐसे लग रहा है मुझे. This is how I feel. These are the thoughts that are coming. Repentful, helpless and repentful. Yeah. This is very powerful way of transformation. We have courses outside. When I hear about these courses, it makes me laugh. You know what these courses do? They will get you close to sattva. All these courses have to do, the background is sattva. None of the courses will go through. That's all based on discipline and the sattva. Pause, the pause, introspect, positive. This is all cultivate sattva. That's all. At the most, say we have 10 years of life. You go to the courses. What are you getting at the end of quitting the body? A little more sattva, that's all. That's the best it could happen. But ye hai na, this is Mahajanayena Gatasya Panta. This is how emotional health is healed by bhakti to Bhagavan. This is the inner child care. There is nothing that the descending mercy does not have. It has everything. Perfect inner child care hai. Otherwise, how is the hunter? What he becomes Valmiki, hai na? What is his name? Jara? No. Well, hunter's name before Valmiki. What is his name? Murugari, hai na? Ratnakara. Yes, yeah. Murugari is a different hunter. Yeah, but Ratnakara is later. He becomes Valmiki. Hunter माने क्या emotional health बोलना times 1000. There is no repention also. Here repenting हो रहे. What there is repenting भी नहीं है. He says, of course I will kill. I have to feed my family. Then what if you get the sin? Okay, if I get the sin, my family, my wife and children will share. Then Narad Muni takes there. Okay, let's check, find out. Wife says, why should I take the sin? Children, why sin? You are supposed to get the bread for the family. So you take all. Then, naam kya hai? Ratnakara. Ratnakara got shocked. Hey, I did not think about this. Then emotional turmoil. Tab हुआ, क्या होगा? Then that's because of the effect of Narada Muni. Otherwise, the heart would be still stone-like. वहाँ साधु who is present है ना, इसीलिए at least ये सब हो रहे. The stone-like heart is something is happening in the stone-like heart. Then what happened to Ratnakara? What emotional health courses did he take? Will there be greater emotional turmoil than what Ratnakara had? This is how we turn towards Bhagavan. This is what Narada Muni said. He gave the mantra. He was so sinful that Rama, he cannot utter word Rama. Like Srila Prabhupada said, right? When people are really impious and impersonal, like Prakashananda Saraswati, he would say Chaitanya but not Krishna. Prakashananda Saraswati, because he thinks Chaitanya is superior to Krishna. Krishna is just Brahman touched by Maya. That's Krishna. So they don't say that. They don't say Krishna. Aisa. So impious hai to. And then he was impious, Ratnakara, hard-hearted. So Rama, he was not qualified to say word Rama. I was thinking, if he is not qualified to say Rama, how are we qualified to say any name? Take the Nama of the Lord. But Narada Muni, he was merciful. He wanted to bestow the mercy. Somehow he wanted Ratnakara, Bhagavan's mercy to get into Ratnakara. Then he said, okay, Mara. Sadhu, 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 sadhu's mercy. What would happen to us without these sadhus? So, Rama, 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 Valmiki. ए राम 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 बोलते हैं. When the japa is happening, he was dependent on the two syllables ma ra that came from his guru Narada Muni. He was not dependent on Rama. He was dependent on ma ra. He said, I didn't know I was going to go to hell. I thought my family would take this in. And then when Narada Muni said, this is how you are going to, your next life will be. Each bird, how you are killing, half killing, as a third part ke mare, you will die so many times, each bird will take birth and you will, can you save me please? I don't see anybody that can save me. Can you save me please? He's ready for it. That is the mood for Namabhasa. Pakka Namabhasa mood hai. Can you save me? Means I am ready. I am sold out to you. Whatever that comes out from you now, that is my lifeline. That happened to Ratnakara. And when Mara mantra came from Narada Muni, okay, I assure that you will be saved from going to hell. Just repeat these two syllables, Mara. That is the only instruction his guru gave. Assurance diya guru. Mara will save you from hell. I am assuring you. That's all. And then Rama 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 itna Namabhasa ho rahe. He started with Namabhasa. Itna killing hua. So disqualification or aparadha is not because of sinful activities. Nam aparadha is not because of sinful activities. If that is the case, how can Ratnakara start straight with Namabhasa? With so much sins he has committed. So, Nama aparadha is not because of sinful activities. Nama aparadha is aparadhi nirantara. Nama aparadha is this. When does Nama aparadha happen? It's not because of sinful reaction. Because this is how sinful reaction. One Nama is enough. One Nama is enough. The faith that they have. The soul, the change has happened in the soul already. Ho gaya. Soil fertile hua. And then this holy name comes and then it sprouts. As the soil fertile hua. So that is Namabhasa. Why are we? Yeah. So actually, before he said Mara, 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 he was ready. The soul, he was ready. Ratnakara was ready. The soil is so fertile for Namabhasa. All this here that Srila Bhaktivedanta Thakur is singing, all this, ye hai na? Ratnakara was an impious sinner. He caused others great anxiety, no doubt, because he killed the travelers, not only the birds and the thief, robbing. He caused great anxiety to the people, to the birds, everywhere, and he never hesitated to perform any sinful act for his enjoyment. Hai na? Hunting people, hunting birds. Okay? Devoid of all compassion, concerned only with his own selfish interest. Wo bhi hai na? And he was remorseful, seeing others happy, and a perpetual liar, and the misery of others is a source of great pleasure for me. Ye sab hai na? Ratnakara, he realized when Narada Muni is saying, do you know what you have done so far? Then you were deriving happiness when there was pain. You caused pain to the other living entity and you are deriving happiness from it. You couldn't see it happy and you had to throw an arrow. So, seeing happy, their sadness, yours, you're happy, and their happiness, you're sad. So, Narada Muni enlightened Ratnakara ko, ye sab, this is what you are now. Ye sab hai. Yeah? And you have these material desires. You are wrathful and devoted to false pride and arrogance, intoxicated by vanity. You are bewildered, totally bewildered. What do you think you are doing? Huh? This is human birth. Do you think what birth you are going to get next? Ye sab upadesha hua, Narada Muni. This is your status now. So how do you think you can get saved from the hell? So ye sab bol diya. Whatever Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, wicked acts, ye sab. Then what Ratnakara felt when Narada Muni said, this is how you are acting now, this is how you are thinking now, do you know what your next destination is? Aisa bol diya Narada Muni. Ratnakara is like, is that so? Hell? And I will be born these many times? And I will be killed like this? Can you save me, please? Exactly what Ratnakara felt inside and begged Narada Muni, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is singing. He's saying, now in old age, deprived of all means of success, I am humbled and poor. See the transformation in the heart. What Ratnakara had in his heart when Narada Muni said, this is how you are. Do you know what's going to happen to you next? Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, did you see yourself? This is how you are. Do you know what's going to happen to you next? Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is telling that to me. When you have these things, sorry, can you hear better? Oh, thank you. When you have any of these things, in any tinge of it, this is how your fate, this is what your fate is going to be. So in other words, when I see myself with any of these things that are sung here, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, you beg. And now you tell Bhagavan how your time is running out. Now in old age, deprived of all means of success, spiritual urgency. ये old age की भी ज़रूरत नहीं. Where is your spiritual urgency? Did you see how much dirt you have? Are you comfortable sitting with that dirt? You think you have long life and you think you can get rid of that dirt somehow? Yeah? Thakur is teaching. Your time is running out. And itna dirt hai, deprived of all means of success. I have tried everything. Actually, there's one more bhajan too, where I have tried everything. And I don't want to try anything more. Wo bhi ek bhajan hai. And deprived of all means of success, humbled and poor. Sharana Agati, hands up. I have no other way to go. I see myself now. I am helpless. I am helpless. I see I have a lot of dirt sitting in me. I am unable to get this out of me. I am helpless. Devoid of all means of success. I have no other successful way of getting rid of any of these emotions from me. Dirt mane, naturally aisa aa rahe hain. And I don't know what to do. My time is up, I don't have too much time left over. Bhaktivinoda submits his tale of grief at the feet of Supreme Lord. So when any of these emotions come like this, as Thakur Bhaktivinoda is submitting his petition to the Lord, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This, what is the rescue for us? Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So Hare Krishna Mahamantra are not just dry, empty syllables. Petitions, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. That's why there is nothing to utter, nothing more to utter other than holy name. You are happy, it's a holy name. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. I am very much confused. I feel bewildered. I feel disconnected. I feel anxious. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Positive emotion or negative emotion or whatever emotion has to be directed to Bhagavan. Otherwise it will not get purified. Otherwise it will not get purified. The emotion has to come out. It cannot just sit. If the emotions were sitting, there would be no Acharya Bhajans. These are all different for our sake. The Acharyas are showing, when you feel like this, I am helping you with these words. Right? This is how you feel, right? Yes? Now sing. Now submit your petition to Bhagavan. Aisa. So, whatever emotion that might be coming out, that will come out, that has to come out and has to go towards Bhagavan. That is bhakti. Bhakti means that. Bhakti means not taking courses. Bhakti means whatever is naturally coming, let it go towards Bhagavan. You will see, if those are nice fragrant flowers going towards Bhagavan, then say, thank you Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Then something like this coming out, so sorry Krishna, please, this is not suitable for you Krishna, this emotion. Would you please kindly wash this away? Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is not an emotion that can be offered, Krishna. So please, can you get rid of this from my system, Krishna? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Aisa? The soul is actually constantly communicating with Bhagavan. With Bhagavan. Bhakti means it's all about Bhagavan. Everything to Bhagavan. Everything is about Bhagavan. Everything that comes from the Jiva is for Bhagavan. That's Bhakti. That's when the purification happens. Bhakti is not like, okay, this, and this Bhakti. 2 hours of japa and maybe 1 hour of some information gathering, and then follow the etiquette, and I'll try to do this, and this is Bhakti. Whatever is coming out, the whole self to Bhagavan is Bhakti, including ये सब unwanted kachra aa raha hai, Thakur ji, please. Then it gets purified.
You said like for Ratnakara, right?
Yeah.
You said he was chanting in Namabhasa.
This, yeah.
It's gone one Nama itself.
Yeah, his heart was prepared. It was Namabhasa. Yeah, he started with Namabhasa, not even Namaparada. You know, Namabhasa, this is the beauty of it, just the faith. All that Ratnakara had, he knew no Shastra. What asteries did he do? What tapasya did he do? What Vedas did he know? Nothing. All he had was mountains of sinful activities. That's all. Like faith, dekhna. Faith, Shraddha. Shraddha on the sadhu. That is Mara, not even Rama. He doesn't even know that it is Mara, it's not Rama. Faith on the sadhu. That's it. That faith on the sadhu king, even before the Nama is uttered, the faith in the sadhu can make the heart so fertile. The next word that he is going to utter, even if it is Mara, ye Namabhasa ho jayega. That's the strength, that's the potency of faith in a sadhu. ऐसा हम लोग को श्रील प्रभुपाद आचार्य है, हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र दिया. राधाकुंड माता जी, इज दैट ओके माता जी? मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. एनीथिंग, यस, एनीथिंग मोर माता जी? Anything more that you want to say, add anything? Now I know this van is bigger one. We were used to more of the 8-seater, hai na? When I'm not hearing, it's reminding, oh, ye to school bus ke jaise. Yes. Ab. हाँ माता जी, कुछ है please?
Good Mataji, everywhere we heard is faith, surrender, then forgiveness.
Yes, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you. Yes, Mataji.
So what are aparadhas then?
Yeah. You know, we have heard this word simplicity, right? They go together. Simplicity and having faith, they just go together. Like this person, Ratnakara, sinful but simple. He didn't have two things. ये साधु है या नहीं, ये झूठ बोल रहे हैं ना. Okay, I'll hear what he has to say, and then simplicity माने, you know, the childlike simplicity. There's no processing that happens here. When the mother says, I'll bring moon, child is like, okay, my mama is going to bring moon. That is simplicity. ऐसे simplicity साधु पे होता तो प्रसंगमजरम पाशमात्मनो कवयो विदु सयेव साधु सुकृतो मोक्षद्वारम अपावृतम. The single most thing. ऐसे साधु पे ऐसा faith हो तो nothing. ये रत्नाकर को देखना. What qualifications? Only disqualification. He had more sinful mountains of sins है. कोई qualification नहीं. But only thing he had. ऐसा. या ऑल ए वर्टिकल नेटवर्क है ना, ए वर्टिकल नेटवर्क में कुछ अपराध है वो नहीं, दैट्स वर्टिकल नेटवर्क अपराध इज बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग एल्स. At the not the eternal relationships, but vertical relationships seen from self perspective, not from Krishna centered. That's why they are vertical ho gaya, you see. Oh sorry, horizontal, yes, the horizontal, yes, vertical is eternal, Guru and Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Simplicity is beautiful, very attractive. If there is one treasure that a conditioned jiva should ask for, what bas wahi simplicity dete to, because they all go together. Simplicity and faith. Their faith, because they are so simple, they are pious also. थोड़ा सा ऐसा साधु संग थोड़ा सा मिल जाते तो भी it's a fertile soil. Simplicity माने fertile soil basically. There is no unnecessary things ऐसा. Can you recall anyone in your life that are, simple-hearted, simple people? In my heart, I was thinking, if only I can be a maid servant for this person, as a simplicity, very attractive. They're somewhere close to Nama.
When we look at, of course, becoming simple and that kind of having that kind of faith.
No. The next question should be, how can I get that simplicity? Because there is only one way of. We actually don't even know what simplicity means. We don't know. We are hearing. But I can say that we don't know. क्योंकि मुझे at least 3 years लगा to understand what simplicity means. I'm saying at least 3 years लगा. I don't know, maybe unconsciously I was trying to understand even before that too. I was thinking, ये तो एक ही word है, simplicity बोल रहे हैं, word एक ही है और simple है. What does this mean? Money. Not simple है ना, इसीलिए मुझे पता नहीं. I had to break my head and pray, क्योंकि especially when I'm hearing the katha, that's all based on simplicity, and I'm thinking, if I don't understand what this simplicity is Vaishnavism, Vaishnava, Sharlata ही Vaishnavata. मुझे तो ऐसे लगा कि to go further. Everything is linked up with this. So it troubled me a lot, and I even to understand what that means. But that's why I'm just saying. It sounds like it's a simple word.
Then can you explain, Mataji,
what
how
that
you
means?
Understood? What it means?
Mataji, what it means. Before that, I have to tell you what happened. So you will know. I didn't realize that my thought is so twisted that I couldn't understand what simplicity means. That I realized after 2-3 years of breaking the head did not happen. I had to pray. ये क्या है? I really had to pray, Mataji. Because when you don't know, so somebody is saying white color, if I did not see white color, even if I see white color, because I don't know it is white color, I wouldn't know that it is white. You see, हालत ऐसा है. If somebody says, you see, this is white color, and then I would know, right? But I do not know. Even if I'm seeing this white, I do not know it is white. ऐसा हालत है ना. So that's why I don't know. I had to really pray. Simplicity मने ऐसे माताजी कि there is not simplicity is how exactly I am inside. How I am inside, exactly I am like that outside. Children, how they are. If they are angry inside, they just say that out. They will not like, I'm angry inside, but let me say it in a different. ऐसे नहीं होता. Simplicity is that. What I am inside, exactly if I am like that outside, that is simplicity. अगर कुछ adjustment, anything होता है ना, that is twisting. ऐसा. माने for somebody to be simple, they are so bold, they are so clean inside that they don't even think they have to change anything. ऐसा, they go together. They go together. If they are doing it or saying it, they really think this is good. This is ऐसा करते हैं. So one definition is Mataji is like that. Whatever I am inside, I put no effort to give a different picture of mine. Basically, that Mataji. No effort to give a different picture of mine. That is something that we can understand as simplicity.
But that can, be a little, in the sense, now see, for instance, somebody is an angry, arrogant person, let's say. But they have no qualms about it and showing it out. Whatever they're feeling inside, that's how they are. They're not hiding it or anything. But we cannot call that person a simple person, right?
Yeah, you compare this person, okay? This person is angry and yelling at you, okay? That is one side. The other person.
Huh?
Question
Oh,
repeat.
question. Question.
सुन रहे आप लोग?
Question, I said, because she... She's... What, Prabhu? Oh, can you repeat the question? They can hear.
Oh yeah, this mic. Oh, okay. The question is, you please tell me if you don't hear or don't understand, Prabhu. Yeah. So when I said simplicity means however you feel inside, you behave like that outside. That is simplicity. Okay. Mataji's question is, what if somebody is really angry inside, envious inside,
Arrogant, yeah.
arrogant inside, and is actually saying that outside?
That was the same question I had when you said like whatever is inside outside.
He had the same
He
question.
had the same question.
The same question was like
Same question when, Prabhu?
No,
Right now.
now when...
Oh,
he-
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is still simplicity. Still simplicity. You see? Now you know. Simplicity doesn't always mean good. Simplicity means transparent. You see? Yeah? So, that is one case. Angry, envious, etc. and showing it out. That is. So, transparent, showing it out. That angry. The other case. Okay? Angry, envious. But he goes to the person and says, oh, you are just so wonderful. You have such wonderful qualities. I really admire you. Oh, baat, aisa. And the thought process, andar to, how can I get what he has? How can I displace him? Or how can I hurt him? How can I curb that? Yes, you see? A processing under. How can I chill? How can I steal what he has? How can I push him aside? How can I displace him? How can I do whatever I can do with it and get that? Intention वो है अंदर. Anger, envy, ऐसा. बाकी तो oh you're so wonderful, excellent. I am so happy about your success. Very wonderful. I came here to congratulate you. Awesome. Awesome words. Turn around and
Talk back.
अंदर. Talk back.
I mean,
that is a
backbiting.
spillover.
हाँ,
Talk back is a spillover. That is even more. But अंदर ऐसा चलता है ना. Okay, he is in that position now. What do I tell the boss so the boss can get suspicion? ये सब बोलते तो भी मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है माता जी.
Yeah, no, that I can
You
see is twisted.
ये ना twisted mentality है ना. So this is not simplicity.
That yes.
Both of them have anger. Both of them envy है, right? Who is more reliable, dependable? I am money. More trustable here. Envy है तो anger है तो बोल देना. He's not going to stab in the back. ठीक है? You are careful. Okay, this person is angry and envious, so I will be careful with them so I don't get stabbed. ऐसे at least warning मिलता है. But the other person just besides you, and we don't even suspect that he has a knife and we don't know when he would stab.
Right.
ऐसा होता है. So that is duplicity, cruelty or whatever. This is simplicity.
So
This
you're
is
saying
transparency.
that transparency. So simplicity did not necessarily always mean.
No, not
good.
necessarily always mean.
But when we are saying simplicity is Vaishnavism, there that definition then
the
it
definition
doesn't
here
sit,
is
right?
Transparency again. Money, especially when it comes to Guru Tattva actually. This word is used. When you are submitting yourself to somebody, to Guru, how transparent you should be. Harvind Prabhu, can you hear?
Question.
The question is, Mataji is asking, okay, simplicity doesn't always mean.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, simplicity doesn't always mean that the person has good qualities. है ना?
Yeah, that was my question.
Yes. Simplicity doesn't always mean that they have good qualities, but at least you know what's happening in them. They're transparent. That's all. Simplicity, money. But when it comes to devotion, this context of simplicity is say if this same person angry and etc. all that, that's a simple person, है ना? But somehow, if this simple person with not so good qualities comes to know कि ये all dirty है क्या? Really? It's like that sometimes, you know. Anger. That person may think, of course I'm supposed to be angry. That, you know, my child is not supposed to be like that. My wife is not supposed to be like that. My husband is not supposed to be like that. They're supposed to be like this. Because that's how they thought, that's what they heard, that's what they are brought up with, that's what they said. That is what thinking they're thinking in their head there. But somehow, if they see somebody else in their same situation, but not acting the way they are acting, then it may be an eye-opener. कि क्या है? That person is in the similar situation, but he or she is not saying what I'm saying, not acting as I'm acting, and when I talk, it's not what he or she is thinking as I'm thinking. So what I'm thinking is not right. Is it not right? ऐसा शुरू होता है तो, and when that person comes to know, oh, so this isn't right. I didn't know that. ऐसा होते तो, okay. Then, hey, Bhagavan, I didn't know about all that. Yeah? Now, please, you tell me. You tell me, whoever that person will have faith in whatever it is. I didn't know I have done all that. You please. Now, how do I undo all that? How can?
Got it.
Yes, you please rescue me. है ना? So already transparent nature है ना? Just that a click of the moment होता तो so sorry about that will happen. That's it.
Yeah.
If that person is really transparent. So what happens is sometimes a transparent person is always transparent actually. Transparent in nature is always with everybody all the time. A timely situational होता है ना? At once it's not a transparent behavior. A timely with a person with the situation that is not transparent nature. That is crooked. Venting out, that's all. वो simple है. All the pent up emotions are vented out. वो simplicity नहीं है. Simplicity माने वो nature of the person is simple with everybody at all times. ऐसे ही है. Then that is simple. Harivan Prabhu, you heard that?
Yeah, I heard that Mataji, but yeah, but I heard that thing. Will someone be like that? Like we cannot sometimes like everyone right, to be simple.
I didn't get that, Prabhu. What did you say?
To be transparent, like whatever we have, we cannot share everything, right? Just
Yeah.
because of being transparent.
Yeah, we cannot share everything. That's why we have journal. That's why we have Acharya Bhajans. That's why we have Krishna. That's why we have Harinam.
Then it's not simplicity, right?
That is simplicity. This is all simplicity.
No.
His
What I was
question is-
saying, like if I'm not transparent, as per whatever you mentioned, like if one is transparent with everyone, then he is the simple person,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
But sometimes it's not possible to be transparent with everyone, like whatever you have to share.
Then you stay quiet. We don't
Yes.
twist it.
Yes.
We don't twist. We stay quiet.
Then it's not simple, right? As per you, like you have.
There is no bad intention there.
Okay.
Yeah. We need not tell open
Yeah.
our thing to
It's
everybody.
not about telling
necessary.
to others, Prabhu. It's
Okay.
about the intention inside.
Okay.
It's more about the intention inside.
Okay.
Yeah. You see in that example also intention.
Mhm.
You know, this office colleague backstab. It's about the intention.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think that. Yes, it's about the intention.
Okay.
Intention, please. Yes. Finally. Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prabhu.
So even if we are not very joyful inside,
No, it's
but we are saying it, but we do not have any bad intention, it is okay.
Yeah. As long as the intention.
It's more of
Yeah,
an intention.
yeah, yeah. If we are not joyful, joy will come later. No problem. Intention to take it.
No, what I'm saying that I am not exactly joyful inside, but with among the people I have to be like that. I can't be gloomy. But there is no bad intention there.
7 minutes.
So that is okay, right?
Arun,
Yeah.
is it
It's all about soul and Bhagavan. Then that is when we are feeling it is okay. It's okay with Bhagavan. Yes. Work in progress. Okay with Bhagavan at that point of time. I see.
No, what I'm saying is that is not crookedness,
No, that
right?
is not. We may bol. Yeah. That is not. Yeah. That is not. Soul will feel unsettled. If the soul is actually looking towards Bhagavan, any amount of crookedness will not keep the soul settled. Easily we have to remember we are constantly reciprocating with Krishna, not with this person or that person. Then we get confused and bewildered.
Yes, Mataji,
Yeah.
yes. That's so true.
Yeah. Then it's very clear within.
Yeah.
There's no confusion. No confusion. Pakka no confusion. Because we try. We try to be different. That's why confusion. We just have to remember at all times the soul is actually interacting with Bhagavan. If that one thing we remember, confusion will go away. It will be very auspicious.
what I have realized is that without Bhagavan, if you are interacting with person, actually modes interact. That's it. We can give it any name, but actually the modes are interacting.
Good label, bad label,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So, yesterday, that was day 1 of Kuliya Sankirtan. What did you say, Prabhu? Sanatana Goswami came to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Kashi. The devotees in the back, can you hear me? Yeah? Okay, good, thank you. So Sanatana Goswami came there, and Sanatana Goswami has this woolen blanket, expensive, that was gifted by his cousin somebody. Gauranga Mahaprabhu bar, he was looking at the woolen blanket. Sanatana Goswami realized that Mahaprabhu did not approve him having that woolen blanket. So then he goes and he gives away that woolen blanket in exchange with a used, old, used quilt. So then we were, all of us, we were sharing what is our woolen blanket that Gaura wants us to get rid of. What is that used old quilt that can replace this woolen blanket? So each one of us, we had our own woolen blankets that we wanted to get rid of. So Gaurav is happy. And in that place, what would be a used, old used quilt? That, yeah, it's okay. So Mary, yeah, generally when I give the answers, I give it away where it is recordable. So I said that each of us we will report, and Mataji she shared, Guru Maharaj's reflection, his offerings to Srila Prabhupada that Mataji shared. I said I will report, right? I've realized one thing, the dear devotees, especially those who were there.
Take a pics and
Prabhu wanted to. I was finding it difficult to RDU airport. So I was finding it difficult actually. I thought though it was just easy to put that woolen blanket aside and take the used old quilt. But I have realized that it's not something that I can do. Sanatana Goswami did that. I have realized that something. But I am very grateful. Though I am, first of all, I am grateful that I came to know that it is something that I don't do it. I cannot do it. That's point one. Then how can that happen? It actually happens. Happens very naturally and effortlessly with the mercy. When Gauranga Mahaprabhu looked at the woolen blanket of Sanatana Goswami, in the glance of Gaurachandra is abundant mercy. It's the mercy in the glance of Gaurachandra that made Sanatana Goswami just get rid of that woolen blanket very easily, effortlessly. It's the mercy of Guru and Gauranga. Their merciful glance will get rid of all that unnecessary woolen blankets. And they know what old used quilt is to be given. They will give it. That's what I wanted to share. That's all. क्या प्रभु?
So we just have to wait for that.
प्रभु, Arvind Prabhu, did Sanatana Goswami wait? Prabhu, Arvind Prabhu,
Yes, ma'am.
the honey lid is open, Prabhu.
Okay.
Are you?
Yes, ma'am.
You are thinking that the lid is so tight that somebody has to come and open the lid for you, Prabhu?
Got it, mother.
Do you know that the lids are open,
Got it, mother.
but still it is just placed on the bottle, so nothing falls on the bottle? ऐसे भी होता है प्रभु?
Got it.
Arvind,
Thank you.
thank you. Chidananda Amrita yesterday, but today before we get down, all of us, each one of us, dear devotees, we are very thankful that we are brought into this Sankirtan van. You please see what is the gift that each one of us are getting from Shri Guru and Panchatattva. Certainly there is a gift, no doubt about that, for each one of us. What is it? आप देख लेना. If you want to share, you could do so if you are able to. This is what my gift is, my prize is today, and I want to cherish. अगर आपको कुछ है तो anybody ready? You please do that. Even if it is 1 or 2 word. Yes, Prabhu. Arvind Prabhu. Yeah.
Good morning, Dr.
Huh? Yes, Prabhu.
Prabhu Mai. Oh. Here, Prabhu.
That wording I forgot, mother. What is that like? Yeah, Sakir Anugatya Seva. Sakir
So-
Anugatya Seva. So, in other words, it's like puppet of Guru.
Okay.
Is that right?
Yes. Okay.
Oh, that's what it is. Thank you.
Happy.
Happy puppet.
Happy.
So happy. So happy puppet.
Not helpless.
Yeah, so happy puppet. Yeah. So
Yes.
that is what is Sakir Anugatya.
Yes. In the mode of way,
Yeah.
yes. So that is what yours today, Prabhu?
Yes, mother.
So what is your word for today?
Sakir Anugatya.
Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you for sharing that. Anybody else? 1 or 2
Prabhu in
words?
the back, ask them if they want.
Gaurachandra was in his house, but he did not even tell, and he just disappeared from his house, and he went to Kulia. So a Brahmana came and gave this message to Vachaspati. And actually, yesterday recording Sunna hai. I'm just
Yes, say it again.
I think in my mind there is, because I've been thinking from Thursday onwards, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Or post padna up, then you will know why this is Kuliya Sankirtana. I already posted in Harinam Seva also that this will be Kuliya Sankirtana, so you will know. Yeah, you please read that Chaitanya Bhagavatam. So this is a second day of Kuliya Sankirtana. So this Vachaspati Brahmana goes to Kuliya, and that's where to Vachaspati Brahmana Gaura gives his darshan. Yesterday Gaurang Mahaprabhu did give his darshan. Actually, each one of us yesterday we had in his own way Gaura gave darshan. And it was very apparent when Panchatattva decided to go to Lakshmi Premadaji's place to take the Aarti there. That was just not in the... In any case, that was the first day of Kuliya Sankirtan, where Gaura gave darshan to Vachaspati Brahmani. That was day 1 of Kuliya yesterday. And mine, I was thinking, what is Gaura's darshan for me? Like yesterday. And the one that I shared, that was for me. You know, I said I will report, but this is
Yeah.
not something I can do, but the mercy of,
Yeah.
so that was yesterday for me.
Right.
And today, what is it for me? What is it for me? Because this is still Kuliya Gram and Gaura's Darshan, right? I think for me today, the Harinam with Sri Sikshashtaka. That is for me today. Yeah. दैट इज माय क्वेरी. आप अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ है तो यू प्लीज.
Well, for me today, you know, we never got a chance to bring it up here in the van, but in your morning Telugu class, when you were speaking about Sankirtana and you were explaining Sankirtana, and this is how I understood it, right? I mean, there's only this little bit Telugu that I get, but the way I understood it is you said when the deity has to come out of the temple, there is a palki or a chariot that the deity comes out in. When the nama has to come out, we are that chariot or the palanquin. So this body was that today.
Yes.
You know, and I don't know, that example for me made it more real, and I could connect with Sankirtan more than I did in the past. So that for me was my thing today was, yes, you know, Sankirtan is that perfect lab for you know, nama to come. And I also, you know, I think that Janma Sarthaka Kari Karo Paro Upakar, little bit more I understood today, because all along I was saying, first make my Janma Sarthaka, then I can think. But the Janma Sarthaka is happening in me going out like this only, not sitting inside and meditating and then, you know, gaining perfection, and then one day I'm going to come out. Here I am, perfect soul. I'm ready to now liberate all of you. No. It doesn't happen like that. It is happening simultaneously. My perfection, my Janma is becoming Sarthaka in doing Para Upakar. That's how. Huh?
In following the instructions.
Yes, in following the instructions, in following, you know, that, that was my thing. And how important Sankirtana was to Srila Prabhupada, to Lord Chaitanya. This mission was, I think I connected more with it
Prabhu, keep writing.
today than I could. Yeah, just.
Thank you. Actually, Srila Prabhupada said, even if you have to close the temple, go out for Sankirtan for 12 hours. It was like that. That important.
Yeah. I think that was my